friends, welcome back to Steam Sauce, or some may say STEM Sauce. So in this video we are going to talk about stellar engines. Stellar engines are very important to learn. It could be very cool. So there are two types of stellar engines that I know of and might be possible. The first one, but this is very slow one. It's like a parabolic mirror. When the sun is right over here, when the sun pushes out radiative properties, the parabolic mirror pushes the radiative properties back. So the sun can move forward, and the earth is traveled by gravity. Attracted by gravity to the sun, so the whole solar system will go forward. But the main drawback of that is it takes a very long time for that. So it might not be the best if a gigantic supernova just explodes in the solar system. But we would know at least a few million years later, before, but that wouldn't be enough. It needs that parabolic mirror needs 10 or something like that. Then there's also another type engine called the Carroll's mirror. I think there's a different name, but let's call it Carroll's mirror. Carroll's mirror is like when a Dyson sphere, a rocket, takes the Dyson sphere energy to push the sun and all the solar system forward. Well, so it takes that energy, but there's another thing. It can also expand the life of a star. How? If the mass of a star decreases, then the lifespan of that star increases. So that's like a pattern. If the mass of a star is decreased, lifespan increased. If the mass of the star is increased, then lifespan decreased. So if we can also get out of the Milky Way. How? This engine, instead of like the parabolic stellar engine, is needed. Can go more faster, very fast. So in just a few million years, it can go full round of the sun, the Milky Way. And also we can get to new stars to colonize them. That can turn into a type 3 civilization. Then we can travel to a new galaxy which will make us a type 4 civilization. The possibilities are endless. So if we make a stellar engine, there is zero problems in our humanity's survival. We have won the race. Thank you. And also just asking, how was 2020 last time? I know it might be very hard last time because we could not go to school, work, or any place. If we had quarantine, COVID-19. So, but here today, the COVID-19 vaccines are there. So, we should just get the COVID-19 vaccines somehow. And then, that's the end of 2020. Say hello to 2021. And also another thing, full moon is coming very soon. So remember, if you are going outside on 28th of January, you better just go at night time. Bye.